Behold mechanical rigging. I will show you how to recreate the setup in Blender. It seems like kind of complicated. When we break it down, it will immediately seem less complex and actually pretty easy. Magic. Gears, pistons, cables are super fun. Yeah. So even if you do this, and I will show you how to do this. So let's see how it looks. Yeah, it looks really, really good. But there is a catch now. You see on the left side, just a regular piston. On the right hand side, a double piston. By the way, Control Tab is your friend here. Woohoo! Already pretty cool. And as you can see, moves, and even when we rotate it, bendy bones. That's what we want to have. Woo! It's super interactive. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep teaching you. I'm gonna showing you how I do those things because I like it, and I hope you like it too.